Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to find Amazon coupon codes. So, first thing you're going to need to do is you just have to visit the Amazon coupons to browse available discounts. So, once you're here, just have to use the search box and then search for the products that you want to buy. And then from here, let's say for example this one, since it has coupon, this one, then you just have to tap on this box right here to check that. And then from here you just have to select the size, to select the color and all that. So as you can see, the coupon is already there, so make sure to add size first. And then there you go, the coupon is unchecked, and then 10% off coupon is applied. And you will see from here from $29 to $25. And then you just have to check this out. You have to buy it or you have to add it to your cart and then proceed with the payment. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!